tayo ng mga kaibigan natin dito. Okay. Okay. Bakas na puos sa bahay mo, sabi ni Kapobreng Layason, guys. Francis Mil Landiro, what do you want to the first time I your email? I don't know. Can you speak Tagalog, Miss Francis? Or what do you want to the first time I your email? I don't know what you're saying. I don't know what do you mean or what do you want. Oh, I don't know what you want. Sorry. Okay. Dandikit ka pobreng layason, sabi ni Sis Saidi. Okay. Okay na lang, guys. Or 10 minutes more na lang or 11. Ano na natin siya, guys. Okay? Kasi kailangan din kakakain ko lang ng ano, guys. Tumatalbog-talbog na yung mga puso natin dito, guys. Yung mga taba-taba natin. Kailangan natin ano yung mga taba-taba natin sa katawan, na? Okay. Mag-ano, guys. Thank you so much. Pakitamsak na lang po yung bahay ni host. Ginaganon ko yan dito, guys. Bababa. Bababa sa ano ko, guys. Sa baba. Okay. Kailangan pala, guys, may nagturo sa akin na kaibigan nyo, guys. Kapag exercise daw, ganito rin, guys, oh. Iganon mo na yung katawan mo. Iganon mo daw yan. Oh, naka-X daw. Para yung ano mo daw, yung hips mo at saka yung belly mo. Yung kaibigan ko to, guys, nagturo sa akin. My friend teach me how to do exercise. Yes. Make your body like this. Okay. I don't know. This is good or not good. This is not good or good. But this is good, I feel. I feel good this one, guys. Yeah. Make your belly small, guys. Like this. Did you see that? Yes. Like this, everyone. You can go like this. Make your hips. Yes, ganyan. Ganyan, guys. Oh, di ba, guys? Pero guys, pag if you are new to do it like, to doing like this, you feel pain, guys, promise. My stomach is out. Yes. Yes. And then, my arms is big, guys, because in my country, I do too much hard working. Every day, I carry 2 container or 2 gallons water, and I can carry also 1 sack of rice, 1 sack of corn. I'm a hard working mom. I'm a hard working person, that's why. Yan, guys, ang gagawin nyo. Yan ang gagawin nyo, guys, everyday. Ganyan gagawin nyo, guys, pag everyday if you are not busy. You can do like this everyday to your body. You can see before my stomach is like this, is big. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, did you like this? Thank you so much to all my friends there, out there. Sa aking team PPG, thank you so much sa pag-stay nyo dyan. Sis Baby Girl, Sis Happy, Sis Mibes, Sis Len, thank you so much. Sino pa yung hindi ko nalawag ba? Sis Ilongga, thank you so much sa pagpunta lang kung na-busy ka dyan. Okay. Okay. Ganito lang, guys, ang gagawin nyo, guys, everyday. Yes, ganyan lang ang gagawin nyo, guys, everyday. And then you can also feel your stomach become small. Like that. If you do like that every day, even 5 minutes every day, it's good for you, guys. It's good for your body. Ano na? Sabi ni Sis Happy, gayahin ko yan. Agoya, dance tutorial na pala to. And then, hindi, maganda yan kasi maganda sa katawan. Di ba yung katawan ko dati, malaking katawan to? Ganon. O, di ba? Ganon mo siya. Ayan.